Hello everybody. This is not an unboxing video, but an unbagging video and kind of a public service announcement. And I don't usually do this, but I decided that I need to do this today because some people need to know. So I went to one of the cool stores in the mall, Lids, over this way, okay? And I got a hat for this season. So here we go. Dun, da, 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 dun, da, da, da. Yes, LA. I didn't get one with a Y. I wanted Los Dodgers, but they have Los Dodgers, and that's all right. And they've been wearing this hat on the field. It's kind of cool. So that's the unbagging. Here comes the public service announcement. Hey, kids, and some adults who need to learn this. These are tags. They're not actually part of the hat, okay? They're not, okay? They're like packaging to inform you about the hat. And they're supposed to be taken off of the hat. So take it off. Take off the stickers from your hat, okay? Like you take price tags off of items when you buy them. Take the sticker off the hat, okay? That includes this little authentic thing too. Woo! And the price, okay? Take your stickers off of your hat and wear the garment the way it was designed. All right, have a great day.